Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and hello everyone, my dear students in grade 7. Today's lesson is easy lesson about basic HTML commands, and that is chapter 11, page 144. And we have already discussed how to create an HTML document and how to save it and view it in the web browser. And in this chapter, inshallah, you will learn some basic commands. This will also include some elements that allows you to format HTML text. That means the font and the size and the color. Let's take first thing is the paragraph element. The paragraph element defines the paragraph in HTML. Let's open first Notepad. Just to type a Notepad. Open your Notepad. Here is a Notepad, and I will start typing the element to show you how to align your paragraph to either to the left or to the center or to the right side of the page. I will start typing my HTML commands. HTML, definitely any HTML page starts with HTML commands like this. Then it starts the head, and after the head we have a title, and remember that HTML is a container tag. Okay, container tag means it has starting and end, and head also is a container tag. It has starting and end. Title also, okay, title also has starting and end. So I'm trying now, paragraph, elements, and I will close the title tag. Then I will close the head tag. Then I will start the body tag. And inside the body tag, I will start the paragraph tag. So paragraph, I'm writing here paragraph align equal to double quotes and then right left. This paragraph will be aligned to the left of the page, right? This paragraph now, which I am starting to write it, act efficiently, act efficiently, whenever you work. Then dot the result the results of action depend upon the very quality of action, right? And then I will close this paragraph tag /p, means the paragraph ended, right? And let's see now just how to save our document file. Sorry, save as elements, and don't forget the extension .html, that which makes your notepad document converted to HTML, means it can open in the browser. Just save it on the desktop. Here it is. It's looking like it's going to open in the browser. If I open it, it would look for me like this: act efficiently whenever you work. The results of action depends upon the very quality of action. As you see, this paragraph is aligned completely to the left of the page. Okay, the same thing if I want to just close this browser and open your element file again. Open it with the notepad so you can edit, right? And for example, I will change it to, instead the word left, I will change it to center, to align this paragraph to center, and I will save it and try to open it in the browser and see how it looks. Okay, as you can see here, my paragraph is aligned to the center of the page in the browser. Okay, the same thing I'm going to make it align to the right by changing the word center to right. Okay, I will just change this one, the center word, right? I will put instead of it to right, and I will save it, save the changes I made, save, and I will close this notepad and try to open it in the browser. As you can see, my dear students, my paragraph was aligned to the right side of the page. Thank you very much. That was the lesson for today.